Not all science offers peace of mind. Some predictions are so chilling, even the scientists who made them hope they're wrong. These are 5 of the most unsettling climate change forecasts, not from fiction, not from conspiracy, but from peer-reviewed global research. Let's dive into the warnings the world must not ignore. Beneath the Atlantic Ocean, a giant current known as the Amok moves warm water northward and cold water south. It's what keeps Europe mild, the Amazon moist, and Africa's Sahel region growing. But due to melting ice and rising temperatures, this system is slowing rapidly, more than anyone expected. A full collapse would mean Europe freezes, West Africa dries out, monsoons collapse in Asia, and sea levels rise dangerously fast on the US East Coast. A 2021 study warned this could happen within decades, not centuries, and if it does, there's no going back. The Arctic's frozen ground, called permafrost, locks away ancient carbon and methane. But now, as the Arctic heats up 4 times faster than the rest of the planet, that permafrost is melting, releasing methane, a gas 80 times more powerful than CO2. This could trigger a feedback loop: more warming, more melting, more methane, and even more warming. Scientists warn that we may already be unlocking this system. Once triggered, it becomes impossible to control. As temperatures rise, key crops like wheat, corn, and rice are under threat. A global temperature rise of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius could slash yields by up to 30%, increase food prices dramatically, and trigger regional famines. And it's not just heat. Droughts, floods, and shifting growing seasons are also in play. Imagine a future where supermarket shelves are empty, conflicts erupt over grain, and millions can't afford to eat. That future is not a century away. It's within this generation's lifetime, unless we act. By 2050, scientists warn that over 1 billion people could be displaced by climate-driven disasters. Think about that. Coastal cities drowned, entire island nations erased, farmlands turned to dust, and temperatures that make life literally unlivable. Where will those people go? Who will take them in? The refugee crisis we've seen so far could be just the beginning, and it may change the global political landscape forever. The oceans have been absorbing most of the planet's excess heat, but now they're reaching a breaking point. Coral reefs are dying, fish populations are shifting or crashing, and oxygen levels are dropping. Some areas, especially near coastlines, are becoming dead zones where no marine life can survive. Billions of people rely on fish as their main source of protein, and the ocean economy supports hundreds of millions of jobs. If the oceans collapse, the fallout reaches every single one of us. These 5 predictions are terrifying, but here's the truth. They're not inevitable. Every one of them is based on what happens if we don't act. If we continue burning fossil fuels, if we continue ignoring the science, if we continue choosing short-term gain over long-term survival. But if we act, we can change the outcome. Switching to renewables, protecting forests, reducing waste, investing in clean tech, supporting bold policy. These things work. The future is still being written, and every decision we make today is a line in that story. These predictions, they don't have to come true, but only if we face them together.